Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Brasia Kitchen. Adishia Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. Today we're making Valentine's chocolate puffs. Stay tuned. What do you say to our Brasia Kitchen?
I hope you guys are being blessed. She looks so beautiful. Happy Valentine's weekend.
Yes. Thank you, Esther.
Say hi to the vlog.
What do you say to our Brasia Kitchen?
Hey, keep watching it and keep supporting us. Hey, and we need you all to share and subscribe. Okay? We need your support.
Amen. Thank you, Nana. Yes, Hannah.
Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
Hey, yes. Hi, family. Okay, so let's start. If you say, Inti, ahana me wa me chocolate. Any. This is my pink chocolate. I'm using the pink one. And I have my sticks here. So beautiful. Ooh. And then I have my decoration hats. Yep. Then I have my candy pop mold or molder. This is how it is. It looks like, if you can see, right? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my chocolates. I'm going to put it in the microwave to melt it. Okay. So I transfer it into this cup because this one will be more easier for me to pour. See, beautiful color. Then next, bring my mold here. Then I place the sticks in like halfway. I place the sticks in the middle. In that case, the chocolate can cover the sticks well, and also that's the reason why I supported it with the tissue paper or towel paper. Now I'm going to pour my chocolate. You can also use the decorating bag like that. You pour it in here, then you just put it in. I'm using this, so let's go here. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to finish it and then I'll be back. So here we are. So after that, you just shake it for it to be leveled up. And you can put your hat. Now I'm gonna put this. Let me start from here. It's either you put it now or after it's dried up. You just have to put a little bit of the chocolate, the melted one, and then you just place this on top of it to let it stick. Yes, so you just drop them like that. Okay, so this is it. See? So now I'm going to put it in the fridge for it to dry it up. I'll solidify it. It just takes a few minutes. It's out from the fridge now. Look at it. Let's try and take it off. Let's see. Pop it, pop it, pop it, pop out. Yay, look. So beautiful. Yummy. Nice color. Ooh, hot. Ooh, look at the second one. Love it. Casa. Beautiful. Oh, upe bakum. Okay. This is for you. This is for you. Okay. Okay, so this is the chocolate. This is the chocolate. I'm done with the chocolate. See there? Kama. So here I use sprinkles for this one. Yes. So you can see I have my fresh and washed strawberries here. I'm gonna start with that one. So far, this is what I've made. I'm still doing it. Yeah, so this is the chocolate that I use. I think I use about 7 of them. Yeah, because I'm gonna start the strawberries now. So this is the chocolate, and then the white, and I have pure white and then vanilla white chocolate. Okay. Yeah, that is the white chocolate. So it's multitasking. Also, I'm doing the chocolate. I put it in the fridge, and I start with the strawberry, then I continue. So I'm starting with the strawberries now. With the okay, so I dip my strawberries in the chocolate. So right away, I'm going to use my red sprinkles on my chocolate before it gets dried up. And it dries up so fast, so quick. So you gotta be on point, on time. Oh, mommy chena. So when you saw the baby gusua, now when leaving it dryer, then you have to do it right away after dipping it. This is a beautiful red color. Ooh, for the Valentine or Christmas, yeah. Anyway, it's a beautiful color. So with this one, I'm going to try and drop this hearts on. So you do it before it gets dried up. otherwise it's not gonna stick. You see? Okay, so anyhow you wanna do it, it's up to you. You drop it akuma ejo and you drop it. So come on. Yan fancy. One here. One love, one heart. C'est moi. Think it's enough, right? Yep. Mana ye do see a royal blue. A royal blue. This is royal blue. Beautiful color. Nti no me ba de pen half side. Okay, so this is it. Beautiful. Blue and white. This is how we do it. Okay. Okay, so here. Fish. So now you dip it in switch. This is what we got. Okay, so this is it. Marble. The marble design, you just have to combine 2 or 3 colors to get the marble design. And sometimes your bag can start flowing. You saw that, right? You just pop it back inside the microwave and then you can use it because it gets cold and it freezes. So this is the blue, white, and brown chocolate. Mpacho you. Okay. What do you say to our Brazilian?
I hope you guys are being blessed. She looks so beautiful. Happy Valentine's weekend.
Yes. Thank you, Esther.
Say hi to the vlog.
What do you say to our Brazilian?
Watching it and keep supporting us. And we need you all to share and subscribe. Okay? We need your support.
Amen. Thank you, Nana. Yes, Hannah.
Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
Hey, yes.
Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen na SCS Medjumedi we say Ebremu. Abusia obetimi akọ on YouTube page Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen obetimi asho spellings ni ye na ade a omo ye and same onwa enuane ahodo any local dishes, foreign dishes, healthy cooking na oye enuane a wonti bidin da na omo no a page ni so make say uye bema uye student uye school mu anase onya nware ye eja esujani unyo obi no aduane ama obetimi akọ on YouTube channel no so no ahwese no se no anuane ahodo na so wahwe bi na wasua na wano ne kama na numbers na go screen so betumi afa na mom no menfre test no se help bi na ohia wo test no be reply ma kama na aduane kro pese onu ano Gloria etimi aboa ammo ano kama na yenkoi na